5 Smart Ways Electricians Use Working Drawings, Most Beginners Miss. Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you 5 powerful ways professional electricians make use of electrical working drawings to deliver excellent results on the job. If you're an aspiring electrician, a student, or someone curious about how professionals work, grab this opportunity, don't let it slip. 1. Design and planning. Professional electricians use electrical working drawings to design and plan electrical systems. These drawings serve as a prototype, outlining how the system should function once installed. Before any wire is run or conduit installed, the drawing helps professionals calculate load requirements, evaluate job complexity, and make informed decisions. It's the blueprint that guides every other step. 2. Installation of electrical systems. With a working drawing in hand, electricians can follow a clear layout for conduit piping, circuit pads, and component placements. Since everything has already been mapped out on paper or digitally, it becomes easier to install each component exactly where it should go, without guesswork. This ensures consistency, orderliness, and compliance with standards. 3. Troubleshooting and maintenance. Electrical working drawings make troubleshooting faster and more efficient. Rather than wasting time trying to trace a fault manually, professionals simply refer to the drawing to identify the exact layout of circuits and components. This speeds up repair work and reduces the chances of error. In fact, it's often better, and more cost-effective, to consult the original system designer during maintenance than to bring in someone new who may not understand the layout. 4. Documentation. These drawings serve as permanent records of the system's design and configuration. They become valuable references for future modifications, repairs, or upgrades. Without this documentation, even the most skilled technician could struggle to understand a system that was installed years ago. 5. Coordination with other trades. On a construction site, multiple teams work together: plumbers, masons, HVAC technicians, and more. Electrical working drawings help ensure that the electrical installations don't interfere with other systems. By coordinating with other trades, electricians can ensure all systems are integrated smoothly and safely. Types of information found in electrical working drawings. Floor plans show the position of fixtures, outlets, switches, and equipment on each floor. Riser diagrams illustrate how power is distributed vertically across floors. Wiring diagrams show physical wire connections and layout. Schematics. Simplified diagrams used for circuit analysis and troubleshooting. Symbols. Standardized electrical symbols are used, especially useful for engineers and professionals who read complex plans. Benefits of using electrical working drawings. Clear communication ensures everyone on the project understands the design intent, from engineers to site electricians. Reduced errors. Standard symbols and organized layouts help prevent costly mistakes. Increased efficiency. Speeds up design, installation, and maintenance. Improved safety. Well-planned electrical systems reduce hazards and enhance overall safety. I hope you found this video helpful. If you learned something new today, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on electrical design, installation, and maintenance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.